Hey guys, it's Andrea and I am coming at you with a really exciting video today. I have a new Aura Estelle planner to show you guys, as well as, and I'm going to start with first, the 2021 dated inserts by Aura Estelle. I am so excited for these. You can still purchase the undated, which still works perfectly fine, but if you want a dated option and also something a little bit more colorful with the monthlies built in, with the dates built in, this is going to be perfect for you. Let me go ahead and show you guys first how this comes packaged. So this is what it looks like. It comes packaged very safely with cardboard on the outside that will protect your tabs, and it comes shrink wrap. So it will be perfectly protected, and I went ahead and put it in this gorgeous Blossom planner just to kind of show you guys not only the new planners that are coming out, but also the new inserts. So this is the, like I said, 2021. I'm going to just fold this over because it's going to drive me nuts. The 2021 dated inserts, and I helped Tiki kind of design these with kind of being like colorful but very like minimalistic, so you could do lots of decorating and kind of switch things up, move things around, add things in. So we went with a very like minimalistic design. I really love the kind of like, it almost looks like a Pantone swatch, but not really, but wanted to kind of like leave it up so that if you wanted to like kind of, you know, add your own decorations, that it wouldn't be wild to do so. If you also wanted to take this out and start with January, it's not really inhibiting anything in the design here. So first things first is you have these really nice like front pages to every month. So the first one here is the 2021. It says New Year Fresh Start, which then has the year at a glance, which I think is really pretty, nice and minimalistic. But you could also, you know, decorate this or, you know, put dots on it, like clear dots and things. You have a blank page on the back that you can use for decorating or note taking or adding extra stickers. And then every month page looks similar but has a new quote and a new color, and I just love this so much. I think adding some vinyls on these for the months would be really cute, or washi tape, and I just love how minimal it is. It's just, I don't know, I just want something in my planner that's like, you know, really pretty and has a design, but also doesn't inhibit from like my planner itself, my setup, my spreads, and I just think this turned out really cute. And let me go to December so you can see it. But like I said, each month has a little quote on the bottom. These are, again, that like laminated, so it's nice and sturdy. The monthlies will work with our monthly kits. They are 1.5 wide boxes, so you not only can use our monthly kits, you can use any leftovers from any like 1.5 wide standard size, I guess, stickers. They will all fit in here. So like if you wanted to get like label samplers, and you can use these in the box and they will work. If you had headers, you could do that. Like any stickers that are 1.5 will work in these boxes, which is amazing because you can use, like I said, leftovers from kits. You can use, let's say, functional items. Like if you have multicolor, we are coming out with our multicolor very soon. That'd be a perfect addition to this. Or like I said, I do have monthly kits that fit this size. And then you have your normal weekly, which is so pretty. The paper is a little bit like brighter actually, and I love it. You do have the little January over here. It's very minimal, so I don't even know if I would need to white it out. I normally don't white out this box, but you could if you wanted to, but I think that's really pretty and kind of like minimal, but like decorative. And then you do have the dates throughout because like I said, this is a dated planner, and I just love how minimal everything is. For a second, Tiki was like, should we add decorations? And I'm like, no, we don't want that. We just want a minimalistic planner that we can all just decorate to our own desire. So, I mean, realistically, that's pretty much like the basics. It's just a really nice, like clean slate with a little bit of color. I think adding the color in and having colors per month makes it really nice. Also, if you didn't want to use this as like full-blown memory planning stickers like how I use it, and you just wanted to use it, like I said, very functionally, you could totally just pick up some multicolor stickers and use those. And I don't think that they're like wild colors that if you wanted to use pink in this spread that it would be crazy. But I am super excited about the inserts, and I will definitely be using these this year and kind of incorporating maybe this like rainbow pastel into my my kind of setup. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I will be leaving my current cloud the way it is. I'll show you guys what that looks like right now. Oh, she's big. She is the pearl and so beautiful. I have like little charms on the bottom, and if you open it up, I have added things since, and I just think it's so cute. I will be leaving it all in here just as kind of like a memory for the year. I have invested a lot into all of these spreads, and I am excited to have this kind of decorated to kind of look back on and see the different things that I liked. And then I have also, since doing, I think I did a video on this, I added this from Lil Miss Allie Plans. I just think that's so cute. It's a Darcy quote from 90 Day Fiancé, but this is my current planner, and she's almost done, and she is super thick. I've done almost all of October. Have I? What month am I in? November? Oh, just kidding. I'm in November, so I don't think I'll need all of these guys, but I just have them in here to finish it off. But it's going to be a nice chunky planner by the time that I'm done. But I haven't decided what planner I'm using yet. This one I'm actually going to be sending to Jessica because she wants this one really bad. So I'm going to send it to her because it definitely has Jessica vibes. But I haven't decided which one I'm going to use, but I know for sure I'm going to be using these inserts because they are amazing. Okay, so as for the planner itself, it will come in different colors. It does have the 35mm rings. It is in the Blossom design. The last Blossom that came out was a collab with me, so it did have a different texture. This is kind of like a lambskin texture. It is like PU, like vegan leather, but it does have this super cute little, it's like a clover with a little, like, I don't know what they're called, like fake diamond inside of it, like a little like rhinestone. Super cute, very blingy. It does have the extendable strap as well as the 2 pen loops. You have the Blossom print, which I love so much. We have foil bundles in the shop that match this. I love these cutouts. I think they're so nice, and I love just like how they look. And I just feel like a setup using this pocket style is going to be beautiful. You have the 2 side pockets here. Like I said, 35mm rings, and then in the back you do have a secretarial pocket as well as a regular pocket here. But I just am so excited for the inserts and the new planner release. There's lots of colors. If I can have her send me a graphic, I will put the graphic here. If not, definitely follow Estelle on Instagram for more information on when these are going to release. I believe it's going to be this week, or I know the inserts at least are going to be released this week, but I don't know about the planners. But I'll leave information down below, and follow Estelle on Instagram and on Facebook. Sign up for their newsletter for all of the information, and let me know any questions in the comments down below, and I will try my best to get to all of them. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.